Guys, yeah, it is still raining, and yeah, I feel like the rain is not gonna stop. So yeah, still raining. I hate rain, and this is over wet. Man, what the fuck? Oh yeah, look. And yeah, bye.